Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Colin's with me. We're opening a blind bag squishy unboxing. We're unboxing this squishy blind bag Shopkins. So this is gonna be a very short video since it has this right here, if you can see it. So here we go. What is it? That's bigger than I thought it would be. It's a popsicle. So we got, we could have gotten blue or purple, but we got the orange. Does that smell like a popsicle to you?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. I don't know what that smells like, but at least it smells like something. So that's basically all the video is. There's nothing else. This is all we had today. This is all we had. Nothing else.
Nothing, Mommy.
This is all it is. Unlike my other video.
My God, please.
So this actually isn't super slow rising. It's actually pretty fast.
Bye.
It's a fast rising squishy gray. I'm gonna go put it on my shelf. So here we go. Now I'm gonna put this Shopkin. I'll fix that later. I need to put this right here. You know what? You can't see anything. I'll turn this light on.
Hi,
Yeah, that's better. Hi. Okay, so you can't see the face. Popsicle. And my other popsicle fell. Wait, I got two popsicles. Oh, also I got an apple. Just showing you connection to make the video a little bit longer and interesting. And that one, cake, which is very slow rising. Oh, come on! There it is. Now, just show you again if you have seen the other video. Pretty slow rising. So, that's pretty good. Let's put that back. Now, this one you already saw, since this is literally the video. That smells good. Can you hold this?
Okay.
Okay. Put this here. This squishy is actually kind of rock solid, not joking. Kind of is. Put your finger down there. Okay, there. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, if you're wondering what boo-boo this is stuff with hair scissors. It is pretty painful, by the way.
What color?
Colin got a band-aid as well. He didn't get cut by hair scissors. He just got that band-aid because he wanted one. He's not even hurt.
Yeah, Papa, don't.
Don't forget to watch my other unboxing videos, like the Cosmo one, down right here. So that's basically all it is. We just got one squishy. That's all I had. So bye.
Bye.